Hello everyone, this is Latha Akula. In this video, we are going to study about the next phase in the cell cycle, that is M phase. In the last video, we have completed interphase. We have completed all the different stages present in the interphase. Next to the interphase in the cell cycle is the M phase. So M phase is otherwise called as mitotic phase. What is another name for the M phase? Mitotic phase. And here what happens? The actual division of cell occurs. In the interphase we have not seen any type of cell division. What we have observed there, only there the cell size increases, cell prepares duplicates of cell organelles and genetic material, and also cell prepares the necessary components required for the cell division. All those steps we have seen in the interphase. But here in this mitotic phase, the actual division of the cell occurs. And here, whatever the components duplicated in the interphase that have been distributed equally to the daughter cells in this phase. The distribution of the components duplicated or distribution of the components prepared in the interphase that has been equally distributed in this M phase. This M phase is divided into it is in two steps. One is a karyokinesis and second one is a cytokinesis. First, karyokinesis occurs. What is meant by karyokinesis? Karyo means nucleus, kinesis means movement. Karyo means nucleus, kinesis means nucleus. Here, movement of nucleus. That means here the division of nucleus occurs. So what is present in the cell? Within the cell there is a nucleus. Around that there are different cell organelles distributed in the cytoplasm. That is the actual shape of the cell. Here what happens? First, the division of the nucleus occurs, and here later this division of nucleus that occurs in four stages. What are the four stages in karyokinesis? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So in all these four stages, the division of nucleus occurs. Later, the cell enters into the cytokinesis phase. Cytokinesis means what? The division of cytoplasm. So what the cell requires, for example, this is the cell. It consists of nucleus. It consists of chromosomes, right? Here, first the nucleus gets divided. Later, the surrounding cytoplasm gets distributed equally. Here, the division of cytoplasm occurs. Here there are no steps, there are no different stages seen in the cytokinesis like the karyokinesis. And here what happens? The reorganization and separation of the components occurs in this M phase. Whatever the components prepared in the interphase, they get equally distributed, separated into the two daughter cells in the M phase. Here, depending upon the type of the cells, sometimes the body cells they may undergo cell division, sometimes the sex cells or gametes they may enter into the cell division. Here, depending upon the type of the cells, we have two cell divisions. One is a mitosis and second one is meiosis. Here in the mitosis what happens, where it occurs? It occurs in the somatic cells or body cells. Here, whereas meiosis occurs in the gonads or sex cells. If you see the mitosis, what happens? The parent cell divides into two daughter cells, and these two daughter cells, they were identical to each other. Not only that, they were identical to their mother or the parent cell. Here, whatever the components present in the parent cells, they were equally distributed. Or the chromosomes present in the parent cell, they get equally distributed to the two daughter cells. Hence, it is also called as equational division, because the chromosomes present in the mother cell or the parent cell, they were equally distributed to the two daughter cells. Hence, it is also called as equational division. And this mitosis was first observed by Strasburger in plant cell. And in animal cells, the mitosis process were observed by Walter Fleming. Walter Fleming, this person identified it in the animal cell. And who coined the term mitosis? This person only, this Walter Fleming only coined the term mitosis in the year 1882. Here what happens? already duplicated chromosomes, they get distributed to the two daughter cells equally. Hence, this mitosis is also called as equational division. What is another name for the mitosis? Equational division, because the daughter cells get equal amount of the chromosomes from the parent cells. Hence, it is called as equational division. Next, we'll see the occurrence of the mitosis. So this mitosis occurs in somatic cells or body cells. So where the occurs? Somatic cells or the body cells, we'll see the mitosis. Hence this mitosis is also called as somatic cell division. So what are the different names for the mitosis? Mitosis, equational division, somatic cell division also. Here in animals it occurs in body cells or somatic cells. Hence it is also called as somatic cell division. Not only in the somatic cells, in the gonads also, for the multiplication of undifferentiated germ cells or sex cells, there the mitosis occurs. And in plants, growing meristematic tissues and leaves, flowers, or fruits during growth, this mitosis process we'll see. And here, if you see the mechanism of mitosis, it is divided into two major steps. One is a karyokinesis and second one is cytokinesis. In the karyokinesis, the nucleus gets distributed. Karyon means the nucleus, kinesis means movement. Here, this karyokinesis divides into four stages. They were prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. In these four stages, the nucleus get distributed. Later, the cell enter into the cytokinesis, where the division of cytoplasm occurs. In the next video, we are going to study about the different stages, different phases present in the karyokinesis.